Hi, my name is Keenan, and I'm from the Credit Repair Cloud team. I wanted to give you a quick update on a new feature we're releasing called Client Tasks and Client Onboarding. These new features will save you and your team time and will make it even easier to get all the necessary information you need from your clients when getting started with them. So let's jump into it. The first thing I wanted to point out about the feature is it's designed to be awesome on mobile. Your clients can upload their ID and proof of address right from their computer or their smartphone, and it adds those documents right into their client dashboard, saving you a lot of time. Now, let me jump into a little bit more detail on this feature. The first thing you'll need from a client is a photo ID, proof of address, and a few other things. But it might be a hassle getting those from your clients, so we've made that even easier with the new client onboarding system. With the new client onboarding feature, when your client logs into their portal for the first time, they're going to be guided through a step-by-step process where they're going to see a welcome message, and then they're going to be guided through a few steps to order their report, save their login details for their credit monitoring, set up a digital signature for their letters, and upload a photo ID and proof of address to their account. Your client can even upload their photo ID and proof of address right from their smartphone, and it uploads the image right into their client dashboard, saving you a lot of time. To turn on client onboarding, you can go to My Company, Client/Affiliate Portal, and go to Client Tasks. From here, you can get to all the settings for client onboarding and client tasks. Once you have client onboarding enabled, whenever a lead turns into a client or you add a new client to the system, all of those default tasks you have enabled for onboarding will automatically be added to each new client. So the first time they log into their portal, they'll see those tasks. At any given time, you can go to the client profile and see all the client tasks associated to a specific client, and you can see exactly what tasks have not been completed or have been completed. Your team members can add tasks, remove tasks, and even complete tasks on behalf of the client, which you may want to do if your client doesn't have access to a computer and you're in person with them. With our new client task and onboarding feature, you can feel confident that you and your team is working as efficiently as possible, allowing your company to grow and help even more people. Thank you for being a Credit Repair Cloud user.